Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Are you looking for a way to change the language in Toobit application? If yes, here is how you can do it. To change your language on Toobit app, open the Toobit application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. Now, in the expanded menu, click on Preferences. Underneath Preferences, tap the Languages option and go ahead and select a different language you want to change to. Tap on your desired language from the list, and then you will be able to change your language immediately. If you go back, you'll see you have successfully changed your language setting. So that's how you easily change your application language in Toobit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.